In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up automated client offboarding workflows. Whether you're wrapping up a client project or preparing for an end-of-service handoff, automating this process can save you time and ensure a smooth transition. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to create an offboarding process that works for you and your clients. No stress, no hassle. Now, let's jump right in. The first step is choosing the right software for automating your offboarding workflows. There are several options out there, but after trying the most popular ones, I'm going to walk you through the software we'll be using. And don't worry, you can grab an exclusive free trial of it in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you've got the software set up, start by identifying the key steps in your offboarding process. This might include sending out a client satisfaction survey, finalizing any outstanding payments or invoices, delivering final project files, and setting up an exit interview. These steps will form the backbone of your workflow. Make sure you have them mapped out so nothing gets missed. Next, create a template for each part of the offboarding process. For example, you'll need a template for sending the final invoice, one for the satisfaction survey and another for any follow-up emails or messages. These templates should be fully customizable but ensure that each part of the workflow can be easily personalized. This will save you time when each client is different. Now let's automate it. Inside the software, you'll set up a new workflow or automation. Start by selecting the triggers that will initiate the workflow. For example, you could set a trigger for when a project reaches its final milestone or when a payment has been completed. From there, add the tasks you identified earlier. Send an email, complete the survey, request a review, etc. One of the most powerful features of this automation is the ability to schedule these tasks at specific times. This way, your workflow runs automatically without you having to manually set reminders. For instance, you can schedule the final invoice to go out 1 week before project completion, or set the satisfaction survey to be sent out a few days after the project is wrapped up. Another helpful tip is to include a follow-up task in the workflow. If your client doesn't respond to the satisfaction survey or review request, you can have the software automatically send a reminder or escalate the task to someone on your team. This keeps the offboarding process smooth and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Don't forget to add any final steps that might be unique to your business. Whether it's archiving client information, sending a final thank you note, or offering a referral discount, automation lets you include all those last-minute touches to keep clients happy and engaged with your brand. So what do you need to take away from this? Automating client offboarding workflows not only saves you time, but it also ensures a consistent, smooth process every single time. The key is identifying your core tasks, setting up triggers for automation, and using templates for personalization. Automate what you can, but always leave room for a human touch when needed. To wrap up, we've covered selecting the right software, creating templates, setting up triggers, and scheduling tasks, and adding follow-up steps. Make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we've used in this tutorial by checking out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to automate your offboarding workflow to make client transitions as smooth as possible.